Welcome to our lesson about the Save As command. In my assembly, I've got an external file and two internal files. Let's right-click on Part 2, select Open Part. Now let's go to File and select Save As. SolidWorks lets me know that file references will be replaced and internal components will be converted to normal components. Let's click OK. The Save As dialog window opens. We'll name our file B. Save. And let's close the part. We see the name of the component in the Feature Manager design tree. It's now changed. Right-click, Component Properties. Here we see the new external file path. The internal original file no longer exists. I'm going to do the same with Part 3, but first I'm going to right-click and select Save Part in External File. Click OK. Now let's right-click on Part 3 and select Component Properties. We now see that the internal component was saved to an external component. Here's the path. Let's cancel out. And let's open the part. Here I also will go to Save As. Click OK. Let's name this Part C and save. Let's close this document. Now let me bring in the Windows folder where I have these documents stored. Even though Part 3 was replaced, it still exists in the folder. To avoid confusion later on, it is a good idea to delete this component right from the Windows folder. This concludes our lesson about using the Save As command.